Hey guys, SamLab Tech here. Are you guys tired of having a messy desktop? Are you tired of your workspace having a messy environment with all kinds of folders, pictures, videos, just like my screen looks right now? Okay, you are tired of being unclean on your computer. Well, if you're a Mac user, I have some good news for you here. There's an app that is called Hidden Me. Hidden Me. You might want to hide everything on your desktop with a simple click. Okay, there are multiple ways to do certain things. For example, on your Mac, let me show you one example. Okay, how can you hide everything on your screen without having to manually do certain things? Okay, for example, you can create a simple folder. Okay, and that folder you can just call it hide or whatever you want, right? Select everything and simply drop it in there, and bam, it's gone, right? That could be a simple way of saying, hey, you want to hide something, right? What if that's not the route you want to take? Okay, all right, well, there's an app called Hidden Me that I want to talk to you guys about today. Okay, so Hidden Me, the moment you click it, it comes on your menu bar, and all you got to do is click it. Okay, once you click it, click hide desktop icons, and it's all gone. Whenever you finish whatever you are doing, unhide it, and you're good to go. Okay, this is going to be very good for you, especially let's say you're doing some studio work, you're doing some type of professional work, and you have a client coming in. You might want to hide your desktop so some of your files don't show for confidential information. Whatever be the case, you simply go there, click the app, go to your menu bar, and just hide it. Okay. And now you have a very, very nice, clean desktop, just like that, right? Cool. And then whenever you're ready to show your desktop back to regular, go ahead and bring things back to regular, okay? So that's a clean and neat way to go about with it. All right, so how do you download this app, okay? Well, if you're a Mac user, just go to the App Store, okay? And just go to the search and type in Hidden Me. All right, and it's gonna come. It has a pro plan and regular plan. Just go with the regular. I don't think you're gonna need a pro plan unless if you have needs for it. So just go with that free. Go ahead and download it, and you're good to go. Okay. So guys, I hope I've been able to help you figure a quick way to hide your desktop. Well, this is Time from SamLab Tech. You all have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share with your friends so we can all learn something new. I just want to encourage you guys that this channel is going to be used for a lot of helpful information. We are going to be learning. We are going to be showing new techniques and ways to go around with to help ease your workflow. All right, you guys have a good one. Stay blessed.